Okay, for the Windjammer for dinner, there's a few other things right now since it's the last night. Lots of different desserts, chocolate artwork. For starters, some cocktail sauce and some oysters there, mussels, shrimp, some more mussels and cocktail sauce, some scallops, and some different salads, coleslaw salad, grilled eggplant, that looks like a potato salad there, some more different salads here, some cabbage salad, more potato salad, all the fixins for hot dogs and hamburgers, minestrone soup, a lot of different fixings for different salads if you wanted to make your own salad. And then over here on the side, there's a bunch of different breads. You can ask for any one of these desserts out of this cabinet here. Eggplant parmesan, polenta, spaghetti and meatballs, chicken parmesan, and lasagna. And here's mac and cheese, that's usually always there, as well as pizza, chicken tenders, and some fries. And on the station, here's some grilled chicken breasts, some mahi-mahi fish, chili sauce, beef stew, and rice. Some horseradish to go with your roasted beef sirloin, baked potato, some more rice, beef rendang, fish curry, some stuff that I cannot pronounce. Let's see that. Some mashed potatoes and gravy, vegetables and stir fry, and over here some grilled minute steak and roasted potatoes. You get the same drinks as lunch and dinner, some water, lemonade, strawberry, kiwi. They expanded this a little bit from Harmony a few years ago, now that you have mango and kiwi. Here's some desserts, and you can get the ice cream like you can for lunch as well, but some apple pie, Jello, and then back here in the specialty, looks like it's make your own noodles, so you get your noodles and whatever sauce you want, and beef stir fry, and here's a grill too, so you can choose chicken, pork, or beef, what kind of noodles or rice you want, and what toppings you want too. So there's carrots, broccoli. Oh yeah, that looks good. I didn't know they had shrimp. So that's all the fixings for to make some teriyaki, hibachi grill type style here. And that side of the Windjammer is the same as this side. Things are pretty quiet up here tonight, so I'm guessing everyone is down in the main dining rooms. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.